Let's start winding down the markets. Well, it's a bit of a down day for the markets. The Nifty goes home with the cut of around 250 points. The Nifty Bank pulls back close to around 500 points. The Nifty Bank, though, ends closer around the 20-day MA. On the Nifty, towards the end, there was some buying that was seen. And a stock that did well, actually, was Hindalco. The stock is up close to around 1% by the time we wound up in a market that was quite wobbly. Besides that, the other big gainer on the Nifty today was Coal India. There are fears in terms of volume, but for the time being, the stock ended high with a gain of around 1.3%. On the flip side, Eternal, because of that passive selling on indices like FTSE as well as MSCI, that goes home with a cut of around 4%. Hero MotoCorp presses the brakes after accelerating the last few days, so that goes home with a cut of around 3%. Bajaj Auto as well down 2.5%. Maruti Suzuki as well was lower in trade. What did well then in today's trading session? Inox Green, beautiful looking screen out there, up 12.5%. Zensar thumping away up close to around 6.5% in trade. And Edelweiss Financial actually saw good recovery, particularly towards the end of trade. That goes home with some good gains. You had Nuclear Software as well. That was the other stock, in fact, that did see healthy gains in trade today. What didn't do well? Kochi Shipyard was down. Z Entertainment, after the good run that we've seen, that came in for profit taking. HFCL won an order, but still that came in for profit taking. RVNL as well was down 3.5%. And Swiggy moved back towards the 300-odd mark. So a lot of selling, in fact, from the broader markets, but there were select stocks that did pretty well. We go home with the advanced decline ratio in favor of the number of stocks that were declining. 1,900 stocks declining, just around 780 stocks were advancing. Well, on that note, we'll wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell. You stay with us. Markets Forward comes up next.